Hi, I'm Rashmi. Today we are making mixed veggie fritters. You say pakora. So for that I need the green pepper. I see chopped this way. Red pepper, red bell pepper, green pepper, onions. Then I have a little bit spinach and cilantro. I got the coriander seeds, some Kasoori methi, rice flour, chickpea flour and yogurt. Okay, so let's start. So you need to add all ingredients in this. So first I add green pepper, red pepper, onions. If you like, it's optional, you can add the potatoes. Add the spinach, some cilantro, and then I add coriander seeds, the whole one. I have the Kasoori methi, and then you can say fenugreek leaves, dry fenugreek. Salt as per your taste, just 1 teaspoon. Yogurt, and the rice flour make it more crunchy. Chickpea flour, just 1 cup, but when you need you add a little bit more. Okay, add a little bit 1 teaspoon Carom seed, and then I have a little bit red chilli. If you like more, I can put more red chilli, and little bit Asafoetida, little bit. Okay, as per your taste. And then I'm adding a little bit baking soda, just a half teaspoon. 1 tablespoon Garam masala. This is so nice. Okay, so whenever you need, you add little bit. Mix it well. See the texture. Don't put too much water, otherwise your fritter going split. Okay. If you need, add a little bit more flour, chickpea flour, and then mix it nice. Leave it for 10 minutes. Yeah, you can see after 10 minutes, and then I'm adding little bit black pepper. Okay, the texture should be like thicker. If it is too much water, it's going like split, right? If you need, then you can add more flour when it's going separate. Okay, so right now this is okay. My oil is ready now. There you go. Nice crunchy. Now it's turned brown, a little bit dark brown. Yeah, at least you need to cook 2 minutes. Okay, so I like to use spoon too. Sometimes I use hand. So nice, oh my god. Yeah. Okay guys, so we have the mixed veg fritters is ready. The veg fritter is ready now. So I have the yogurt. If you like to add some dipping yogurt, add some pepper, salt, or plain, and nice fritters. Okay, I cannot control now. Okay guys, this is so yummy. I can try from this. I love it. So yummy. Okay, bye for now. See you next time.